9 out of 10 times, opening your payslip and glancing down to the net salary, people are disappointed. Then they start scrutinizing the figures to see why it doesn't match their expectations. Noticing a tax deduction, the first question in your mind is usually, but should I even be paying taxes? There are some common misconceptions going around, like tax on overtime is higher than normal tax. No, that's not correct. Other people say that if you earn below a certain amount, you should not pay tax. Well, that's true, but there's more to it, and I will explain why. You should not take an increase, because it will put you into a higher tax bracket and it will not benefit you. In some very rare cases, but that is exactly why you should understand tax brackets, so you can negotiate better. We will tackle this like a puzzle. If you build a puzzle, you probably start by building the border, then sorting it by color, and just as some family members will have an interest in building the clouds, others might be more interested in the buildings. Some will be more interested in tax brackets, and others again in allowable deductions or filing returns. But in the end, as a family standing back and looking at the completed puzzle, the tax figure on your return or your payslip will become clear and understandable. First, we will look at the published tax tables and how they work. Then we will meet our guinea pig, Bacon, and see how we can use those tax tables to check his tax calculations. Later, we will explain progressively how overtime, medical aid, pension fund contributions, and donations affect poor Bacon's take-home pay. Lastly, we will help Bacon to determine if he should worry about filing an annual tax return. If so, we will give him some pointers as to how he can go about filing his tax return. You might have some questions or comments that poor Bacon did not even consider. So we look forward to meeting with you and sharing in a collaborative question and answer session to help you understand your taxes more clearly.